Hello friends, welcome. So today that is on November 10, 2022. So I have taken only a single trade. So that also you can see it on the chat. So before speaking about this stock, let's see how the sector has performed. So if we see in 15 minutes time frame, so market was completely in a downtrend, and today it was in sideways. See, if we take this candle as a reference and up, if you draw the lines, see market was completely in sideways for today. But if you see the trend of this stock, sorry, this sector, so it was in downtrend. Okay, so parallelly, so I also thought of going for shorting, and I found this stock, Jindal Steel. So the reason for choosing this stock is after formation of this 1020 candle and 1045 candle. So these two candles were my reference candles. So putting these two candles in mind, so I thought of shorting, and so my entry price was at 476.50. So that is in this candle at 11:30 candle trade got executed, and I have placed my stop loss as 478.50. So I have taken some buffer, and I have placed my stop loss at 478.50. So I booked only 1 is to 1 profit, and I have exited so in 5 candle. So my exit point was at 474.30. So in this candle, in 3-5 candle, I have exited my position. So yeah, friends, that is all for today. See you in the next video.